Hey everyone, my name is Randy Rodriguez. I'm the new training assistant here at WP Raw, and while I haven't been here for too long, I'm still trying to get a little bit used to everything. So that means I help out Brenda and Elizabeth with anything that I can. But my day-to-day and my normal duties involve new hire orientation and doing the specialized trainings and stuff like that. So I have taken over new hire orientation fully myself, and I do that pretty much all of Monday, and then I have specialized trainings for sanitation, forklift, things like that. Right now I'm working on getting the first aid and CPR stuff finished up and getting all the classes figured out. The classes, which are Wednesday, August 16th from 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock, Thursday, August 17th from 9 to 1, and Friday, August 18th from 9 to 1. So if you are interested in signing up for any of those classes, just let me know. We do have spaces available. But yeah, that's pretty much my day-to-day.
Hey, this is Kathy in sales. You may not know, but as of July 2nd, we started shipping the 1 pound shred collards and the 1 pound kale to all 3 Lidl locations. So far, we've shipped 63 pallets, 3,398 cases of the kale, and 35.5 pallets of the shred, 2,274 cases. So that's awesome. So what I'd like to do is a challenge. I want everyone to go visit Lidl and check it out. And while you are there, take a picture of you holding one of our bags. And at the end of September, we'll put all the pictures in a hat and we'll do a drawing for a Lidl gift card. So I'm super excited. I want everybody to go and check it out, see our bags on the shelves, see what Lidl's all about. Maybe you'll become a customer. If not, you just, hey, check it out. You can email your picture to alex.goodwin, Goodwin, at raw.net, or text the picture to 803-580-3370. So I can't wait for the drawing. I'm super excited. Here's some pictures of me and Phil for some examples. So talk to y'all soon. Bye.
Hey y'all, it's Alex in marketing. It's been a little while since we went over our recent Growing a Sustainable Future projects, so let's dive into it. One of our most recent efforts has been night harvesting. Not only does harvesting at night mean cooler temperatures for our team members during the summer months, but it also helps with the cooling process of our crops. After harvesting, the product is rushed to our warehouse where it is chilled and iced to remove the field heat, which helps to maintain its freshness. Night harvesting allows the product to cool much quicker than a product that is harvested in 100-degree heat, while saving on energy and water usage in our operations. Now let's talk about pivots. Over the past few years, we have upgraded our pivot technology and made it a goal to be 100% accurate with our water supply. The technology that new pivots offer help us to ensure that only the water we actually need to use is being sprayed. Their GPS-driven capabilities have improved accuracy on coverage, meaning no overspray on the roads. It has lessened the chance of washing out fertilizer and slowed down erosion. All of this is possible with the help of a variable frequency drive system. This system controls all of our wells on the farm and the amount of water that each well puts out. The VFD uses radio signals controls to tell our operators what's going on with each well. Through indicator lights, the system will alert when it's on, off, or needs to be fixed. Most importantly, its pressure sensors monitor water and energy usage, help prevent erosion like we said, and help us save on labor and fuel. Check back later this month for our next Growing a Sustainable Future project.
This is Julio Zazarte at WP Raw, Billion, South Carolina, and I work in the safety department. And for this week's Take 5, what we're doing is lockout, tagout inspections. And the way we're doing that is that we have these manuals for each machine in the facility. And anybody that's authorized to use the machines and they need to lock it out for any type of situation, they need to be able to do it safely. And so this manual has a lot of instructions and it has a very good description on how to lock it out. Some of these have either electrical, water, or air pressure that needs to be contained or locked out or controlled. the employees that are authorized to work on the machines, they need to be able to like lock it out safely. And so what I'm doing is I'm kind of giving them like a quiz. I would walk around with them and point out to the machine and say, okay, well, show me where the evaporator water pump is. And I was like, okay, show me how do you lock it out. And I go by the book. I always go by the book because this is the manual. The manual tells you everything. It will tell you where is the evaporator. It's located by the water pump number 2 or glycol pump. Where is it at? It's in the skid row. It will tell you it has electrical, glycol, and this is how you lock it out. And it shows you a really good picture of the valves that need to be cut off, where the control panels are, what switches you need to unplug, and how do you check for power. And I'm walking around with the maintenance guys or anybody that's working in production areas, and pretty much just quizzing them, giving them as soon as they pass, I let them know, like, hey, you know what, you're good to go. You know what you're doing, and make sure you have your locks. It has to have your name on it. You understand what is the purpose of having a lockout tagout? Is that it's to keep you safe. You need to notify, review the lockout tagout procedures, perform machine stop, isolate the energy, lock out the energy, dissipate energy, and attempt to restart the equipment. Thank you very much.
Happy Friday, WP Raw. This is Forrest Burkett with the Field Ops Department. Today I wanted to talk about collards and how we plant them, we transplant them, and how they're grown, and then what we do before and after they are transplanted. So we start out with a plant bed, which is 5 rows. We grow them to a certain size, and then we take a sweep cultivator and go in, and it digs kind of deep down in the ground beside the plant. That way when the guys go in, the harvest crew can pull them out without breaking the roots or the stems, so it just makes it a little bit easier. Then we load those plants up and we bring them to the field that we're going to be planting. Then we use this cool machine. So this is a 6-row plant setter. We have our area up here to store trays and with those transplanted collards, and then our guys ride on these benches, and we have shoes, we call them shoes, that create a furrow, and then the guys can reach to their right or left and drop the plant in the ground. These shoes help to push the dirt away and then pack it down and then bring the dirt back together on the plant. So we're able to do all of that in one pass. This is 6 rows, so we're getting, a pretty decent amount of plants in the ground every time we go down through the field. So this has a nice top on it. The guys are shaded underneath it, and it doesn't allow water, if it does start to rain, to get on them. But we've got it all set up here in this. This is a pretty wide implement, so we are careful when moving it across and taking care of it. But we pull these with Kubota tractors, and they do a really good job. We're moving at a kind of slow pace, but we're looking for effectiveness here and really just quality of plant in the ground. The guys are able to look at each plant. So that's our collard lesson for the day, and I hope you all have a great weekend. Thank you.